Alright, Assalamu alaikum, welcome everyone. I just want to give you here an update of Kahoot and what they're using with AI integration and what to expect in the near future. Again, like I said, all of these companies are competing against each other, Quizalize, Quizzes, and Kahoot. And then, yes, they're paid versions, but they're also free versions. But you also want to be up to date with what are the latest technology and what are the latest options that are available. So here, for example, in Kahoot, you have these courses that's available or collections that you can register if you want. And it gives you basically full-blown courses with some videos, tutorials, and then questions and answers afterwards. But for our case, I mean, we just gonna make our own questions that we want um, through using the AI technology. So here you have the option of creating a course if you're registered to it, or a Kahoot, a short interactive lesson with polls and quizzes. So here, now they're also using AI generated. So you can actually click on a PDF, upload it, and it's going to generate questions. Or, for example, or you can actually generate questions here using AI, upload a PDF, or type in a topic. Let's say, let's continue with the same topic. Click continue, and there you go. It generates questions with pictures, and it's just not one type of questions MCQ. So you can have here, you have open discussion question, true and false, a slider question here, as you can see, and then a quiz. And you can load more if you want more questions. All right, and then just click on add what you want. Again, they're competing. What's nice about Kahoot is it's giving you different types of questions to add to your slides. All right. Again, you have the option, I want to remove the pictures. You can remove it, change it, delete it, and so on. And then go from there, add more answers. All right. So again, so here they have the question where you can type it in yourself, or you have a starter question here, true and false, a slider, and then a quiz, and so on. Again, you might not want some of these pictures, so then you can actually delete it or update it, and so on. Set up the time limit, the questions, and the points, and so on. Again, I want you to explore, and then you can preview it and test it. Again, like I said, these are really, really cool new options that are available that you can use in your classroom. All right. I'll keep this as a draft. All right. And then you can just check your students' progress in the reports over here that's mentioned. All right. How well do they do? How many completed the activity? Um, who played? What are the questions? What's the feedback? Who needs help? What are the difficult questions? Who didn't finish the activity? How much time did they spend? And so on. All right. Just a quick update, Kahoot. A lot of you guys have used Kahoot, so I just want to give you some of the update to show you that how AI is integrated. But something that's really important as well is to show you what's coming new. All right. Granted, it's a paid version, but I do want you to know that. Remember, we mentioned in the AI is being built in, but also what they're going to have, which is coming soon, is Co-Writer, which is AI based on Microsoft. So you have ChatGPT, and then you have Gemini through Google. Now you can have Co-Writer, which is AI assisted through Microsoft. And then you're going to have these different types of questions and feedback, including scale and then NPS scale. All right, they're going to have different types of engagement opportunities like access and so on. So again, all those paid versions, but you'll get an idea to see what new items are going to be added. Again, it might be paid now, and then you'll find that other programs are going to continue to update their apps and websites to compete in order to make it, a better experience for you and your students. All right, so that was just an update of what's going on in Kahoot. Okay, just a short video. All right, thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.